Hey guys, look what I got. This is Mr. Veve's lemonade. Now, I'm going to pour a bunch of water in it. I don't think it's going to taste very good anymore. Shh, he's coming back.
All right, you ready to do this?
Yeah. What are we talking about today?
We're going to do dilutions, right?
Yeah.
Dilutions, cool. This is, oh my, what did you do to my lemonade?
I diluted it.
How'd you do that?
Poured water in it. I increased the volume.
It's disgusting.
It's all for the kids.
My lemonade's all ruined now. All right, well, let's talk about dilutions.
Okay.
Why not? So we got a equation that we have to run with. That's M1V1 equals M2V2. That's molarity times volume equals molarity times volume.
The 1 is what you start with. The 2 is what you end with.
Perfect. Easy enough concept. Let's do some problems.
Okay.
So real quick, let's say we've got a 2.5 liter solution, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we want to know what the molarity of this solution is if we started with a 6 molar solution and we had 417 milliliters of that. This is kind of a weird problem. So it says we started with something, so that's going to be our M1V1.
Okay. But I already noticed that liters and milliliters, not the same units.
Yeah, so we're going to have to make sure that our volumes are in the same units. So let's convert this one right here, 417 milliliters, divide it by 1,000.
Okay.
And that'll be 0.417 liters.
Okay.
Now we got liters and liters. Everybody's happy, right?
Yep.
You lemonade diluter. Okay, so molarity number 1 was 6.00 times volume 1. We started with 0.417 liters. I'm putting some units and not all of them. Forgive me. Molarity 2 times volume 2, which is 2.5 liters. That's a 5, I swear. So now we just have to solve for molarity 2.
Okay.
So basically what we're going to do is just divide both sides by 2.5.
And that's pretty easy.
Yeah. Those cross out. M2 is going to be equal to the stuff on the left, and that molarity is actually 1.00 molar.
Okay, so you notice that 0.4 is pretty close to 0.5. 2.5 is about 5 times more the volume.
Mm-hmm.
So we've changed the volume 5 times, but we've kept the same amount of solute. So it goes from being 6 molar to 1 molar because we've increased the volume about 5 times.
Okay, so you increased the volume of my lemonade and therefore made it disgusting.
Yeah.
That's what I learned from that lesson. Right, let's do one more. Oh, you know what? Let's talk about my lemonade.
Okay,
my stupid lemonade that you can't even tell it's lemonade anymore because it's all disgusting and pale yellow colored. I started with 30 milliliters of my lemonade.
Your perfect lemonade.
My perfect lemonade. It actually had a perfect molarity of 1.00 molar. That's perfect lemonade. You ruined it. You added, how much, like 50 milliliters?
Probably about that.
You added 50 milliliters of water to it. So what's my new molarity? Well,
first we have to find the new total volume.
We have to find the new total volume. That's right. So if I started with, let's see, my molarity was 1 and my volume was 30 milliliters. Remember, as long as my volumes match, it doesn't really matter. I want to know, yeah, the units match. I want to know what my new molarity is. What's my new volume? If I had 30 and you added 50 to that.
And 50 plus 30 is 80.
80. Okay. This should be pretty easy. Divide both sides by 80. This cancels out. My new molarity of my absolutely disgusting lemonade is 0.375 molar. Less than half of what it was.
Well, it taught a good lesson though, didn't it?
Yeah, it taught a great lesson. Now make me some more lemonade.